Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees. Those cells that I harvested a couple days ago and brought to the incubator are ready. Some of them are emerging, most of them are crawling around in the cell trying to figure out how to get out, so it's placement time. I've already placed 3/4 of them. I think I've placed 32 or 34 cells, and now I have to grab these last ones. This is a $170 chicken egg incubator that I got on Amazon, and it works really, really well. I have, a double thermometer calibration kind of fail-safe situation going on, and I pour water into the bottom trays every once in a while, but living in Michigan kind of, in the summer, it's pretty humid, and it's easy to keep at the correct humidity. This is not showing the correct humidity. That's outside. This is, but of course I just opened it, so I've been keeping it right at about 65%. I cannot wait around too long. I've got to get these placed, and I will see you out in the bee yard. Okay, so as you might be able to read, this was a drone layer, and I pinched her yesterday. I'm going to give them a cell now. Most of the others I've placed already in customer nukes and mating nukes. These last few, I've got a couple places for them, and then I'm going to let some virgins hatch out in the incubator to kind of double up. If any of the cells didn't emerge, I'd be able to go back through and install a virgin queen. Part of the beauty of the incubator setup. See this drone layer situation, not a pretty sight. Okay. So it's day 11 and a half after graft, and they're basically walking out of the cells. And the beauty, another aspect of the beauty of it is, as they are emerging, they're not able to get out and go and destroy all the rest of the cells. So I have to get to work putting these in hives and nukes so that they don't bake in the sun. But thanks for watching. Click like if you liked it. I'd appreciate that. Click subscribe if you're not already. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. See ya.